Hi, it's in front of me Oppo A78 5G, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. First, hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and we can see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. To rename it, just click once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. As you can see, that's so simple. To move this folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. To remove the application from the folder, we should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. No, don't worry, you'll remove only the shortcuts. And just to remove the applications or to remove folder with the apps, for example, we could remove only folder and you will stay with these two applications on the home screen, or also we could just hold it and tap to remove and we'll remove the folder and all of the applications. For example, let's remove only the folder. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.